Up, Juice Box, Gage.
Wow.
We're gonna teach you how to shovel, right? So first, you're gonna take your shovel. You're gonna put it right up to the sidewalk. And then throw it. Can you do that? All right, cool. Gage, showing you guys how to shovel. Let's go over here where there's some snow, bud.
Okay. First, I like to tap it all first, so there's an extra step. So you can get it fully.
Good job, dude. Here, we're gonna go from a Gage point of view. Nice work, buddy. Last night. Not too bad, but you doing okay, kid? You want to tag me in yet? Alrighty. Teach your kids to shovel. You don't have to do it anymore. Teach them what you can do. Oh, hey, you're doing a great job. What you have to do is put salt down so that when the new snow comes, the salt will melt it. You want to help me with that?
Uh-huh.
Let's do it. You laying that salt down?
Yep.
And he's doing it in style. Look at that. Look at that. So we gotta do this whole path, Gage, and then the sidewalks, okay? Okay, so we're all done shoveling and salting. The only thing, oh God, windstorm, windstorm. The only thing left to do is go have some hot cocoa and play Wii, right, Gage?
Yep.
Good job today, buddy.
All right.
All right, we'll see you later. Bye.